If you're looking into futures trading, you might have come across Sierra Chart, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're digging into what makes this platform tick and whether it's the right fit for your trading needs. Sierra Chart is a comprehensive trading platform that caters mostly to futures traders. Right off the bat, you'll notice its flexible charting capabilities, which are quite impressive. The interface allows for a high degree of customization, meaning you can set up your charts exactly how you want them. One of its standout features is the advanced order management system, which is essential for active traders looking to manage their positions efficiently. It also supports multiple data feeds, which is a big plus if you're looking to analyze different markets simultaneously. However, the user experience can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. The learning curve is steep, and while there are plenty of tutorials available, new users might find themselves a bit lost at first. Functionality-wise, Sierra Chart seems geared towards serious traders rather than casual users, which is worth noting if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Sierra Chart offers robust charting features and a powerful order management system, making it a solid choice for experienced traders. It also has a reputation for reliability, which is crucial when you're dealing with fast-moving markets. On the downside, the platform can be quite complex for newcomers. The interface isn't the most intuitive, and the steep learning curve might deter some users. Additionally, while Sierra Chart is relatively affordable, some might find the pricing structure a bit tricky, especially when you factor in data fees. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward user-friendly platform, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're a serious trader willing to invest the time to learn, Sierra Chart could be a good fit. In conclusion, Sierra Chart is a powerful tool for serious futures traders, but it's not for everyone. If you're experienced and looking for advanced features, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a simpler interface, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a reliable choice for those ready to dive deep into trading.